An angel threw fire from heaven, and the earth shook. John was given a vision, a glimpse of heaven itself. He saw an angel standing at the altar, holding a golden bowl. Inside it was fire from the altar of God. But it wasn't just fire. It carried the prayers of the people. Every cry, every tear, every unanswered prayer. Then suddenly, the angel took the bowl and threw it to the earth, and everything changed. Thunder roared, lightning flashed, the ground shook, because heaven had responded. What seemed silent was not ignored. What felt forgotten was being prepared. Because when the time comes, God answers, and when He moves, the whole earth feels it.